to send Pi coins to OKX exchange. Go to your OKX, click assets, then deposit. This deposit crypto. Search Pi. Copy the wallet address, then go to your Pi wallet. Balance here is 154. Click P request, manually add address, paste your wallet address from OKX,